ISC people, what up? You know, when you and your best friend fall in love with the same girl and the girl ends up liking your best friend, so you have to show that you're happy, but you're not actually happy. कल भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ ना. ICSE and ISC both were waiting for a press release and updates. ICSE got what they wanted. ISC kids have to show that, hey, we are happy for you. But in your head, you're like, साले कुत्ते लोग, हमारा result कब आएगा? I get it. Okay, I get that you guys are frustrated. And genuinely so, you guys are frustrated. I'm not here to offer you any spiritual or motivational speech or some advice that's gonna make you feel better. I'm gonna give you a realistic solution. It's a solution, but not an easy one. All right. Now, if you ask me, gut instinct and analyzing the situation around me, logically, ISC exams will also be cancelled. Okay. But because you guys keep asking, why is it so easy for them to give a decision for grade 10 but not for grade 12? It's because, like I said earlier in my messages, grade 12 के बाद काफी courses होते हैं. So how do you go ahead with those courses? How would you analyze the kids? How would you analyze their performance? So it's a tricky affair. So I don't really blame them. They should give you a decision. Yes. All right. But it's taking a while. Okay. But here's what you can do. If you really want to ensure that the exams need to be cancelled, use your knowledge. You know, जो तुमने 4 साल 9th, 10th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th में जो सीखा है, put that to use. Letter writing. All right. Yes, that's the simplest solution. And each one has to do it. Each ISC kid has to do it. Write a letter. All right. Send it to 3 people. So write 1 letter, take 2 photocopies, and post these letters to 3 addresses. The ICSE headquarters, you'll get the address of the internet. Send it to Faye D'Souza or NDTV, either of them. Send it to your school, the principal. All right. But each one has to do it. Keep it short. Don't write lamba katha and don't write long sob stories. Keep it short, to the point. Say 2 things. A, that we have no issues with the exams. We want to write the exams provided you give us a proper deadline. Tell us that this is the date, we will conduct the exams no matter what. So at least in our head, we know that, okay, there's closure. We have to write the exam. Or if you're going to cancel the exams after that, if you're uncertain about the situation around you, please tell us that you're cancelling it and then take your sweet time to come up with a nice assessment criteria. We don't mind. But at least take that pressure off us, because we are not in the mental state to actually focus or not focus on our studies right now. We need to move on. We need to evolve. We need to pursue other things in our career. So please guide us, and we appeal to you to cancel the exams. All right. So keep it short, keep it to the point. Take signatures from your parents. Take signatures from both your parents. Now, every ISC kid needs to do this. What happens in India is, one person speaks up, others are like, share, but nobody else wants to put in the hard work. And you think that, अरे मेरे स्कूल के सब लोग कर रहे हैं ना, मेरे एक से क्या हो जाएगा, मैं नहीं करूँगा तो चलता है. ऐसा हर कोई सोचता है. फिर eventually क्या होता है, अगर 100 लोग हैं तो सिर्फ 10 letters पहुंचते हैं. No. Every school, every kid, all throughout the country, if you are pursuing ISC, send these letters across. Now you're wondering, sir, you are genuinely getting older, huh? I mean, there's shorter ways, no? We can just put in a petition. Okay, why don't you just start a Twitter trend? They don't work. Petitions almost never or hardly ever work. Okay, emails can easily be put in the spam folder, deleted. There's no proof of it, no record. But letters, the good old letter, that works all the time. So if nothing else, you will catch attention. It will, people will notice that the whole of ISC, the entire population, is unhappy with whatever the board is going to predict. For all you know, the board might just cancel it. But here you are keeping your chances safe. Okay, you're just making sure that it works your way. So do it. All right, do it. And also, like I said, don't forget to mention that you have no issues with the exam, because genuinely, if they give you a deadline, if they tell you कि exam है, then you know कि suppose वो लोग बोलते हैं कि exam हम लोग August 10 में लेंगे. Tension नहीं है. तुम break ले लो, दूसरी चीजें करो. August 10 के बाद, August के 1 महीने पहले start studying again. Brush up, revise. Now, it's a far-fetched possibility. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. But I'm just saying कि, if you always just keep on cancelling exams, then it just shows that you just want to, you're just trying to avoid the exams, which you are because of your health concerns and whatever. But I'm just saying, don't say that. All right. Another thing, a lot of HSC board people, those who are not ICSE, those who are not from ISC, they keep telling me, sir, what about us? Unfortunately, I can't really guide you because it's the government's decision, state's decision. Even Karnataka board, a lot of people have been appealing to me from South India saying that, sir, you're not speaking about our board. It's because I can't. I have no clue about how your state is functioning. So you'll have to rely on what decision the state ministers take or the state takes for you guys. Alright, same goes with the HSC and SSC exams. In all probability, it's going to be cancelled. But I can't say for sure. ICSE, ISC, I can say because there's someone accountable for it. Others can just hope and pray. All I would say is stop worrying, because the more you guys worry, it doesn't change anything. Alright, so this ISC wala solution, take it or leave it, it's up to you. But if you're doing it, everyone needs to do it. Share this message with every ISC kid. Everybody needs to do it. Otherwise, don't do it at all. Otherwise, stop cribbing about it. Alright, I hope this works. We'll meet again. And others who ICSE kids, now please stop worrying about assessment criteria. Will it be fair? Kitna percent expect karu? Kya nahi karu? Yeah, take it one step at a time. Ab bhul jao. Ab now wait till the next notice comes. Move on with other things. Alright. Those who are asking me about college admissions, so what about college admissions? Non-ISC college admissions. They will be on a hold right now until everyone gets their results. SSC board, ye board, wo board. Sabke results jab aa jayenge, college admissions khud chalu hoga. So anything and everything about colleges, you should ask individual bodies. Go to the college, ask them when the admissions will start. They'll guide you. Alright. Chalo. I'll see you guys again. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.